Hi, I'm Sarah from Sealy. I'd like to introduce the Sealy Response line, our innerspring mattresses. Like all Sealy mattresses, these beds offer great overall mattress support with cushioned comfort on top so you can get the rest you need. We designed Sealy Response mattresses for people who prefer a more familiar mattress feel. These beds deliver a hold-you type of support while providing ease of movement in and out of bed. Sealy Response mattresses use our exclusive Response coil system that provides the perfect balance of comfort and deep down support. Many models offer individually wrapped encased coils, which lets each coil move independently for targeted support and reduced motion transfer. To make sure you sleep in comfort, we use Sealy cushion foam in the top layers of the mattress in a range of feels from firm to ultra soft. And we include important features like a reinforced edge in all models. This helps provide a durable edge for sitting, as well as more usable sleep surface. In select Sealy mattresses, we use our exclusive Posturepedic Technology that targets the heaviest part of your body with reinforced support where you need it most. Using Posturepedic Technology, we reinforce the middle area of the mattress, giving you enhanced support and durability. The Sealy Response line includes a choice of models in every price range, so you can find the innerspring mattress that's right for you. But rest assured that every Sealy Response mattress delivers the exceptional support of an innerspring with cushioned comfort, so you can get a truly relaxing night's sleep.